Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And in today's pre-market report, so whatsoever indices you may look at, all of them are in green, and this is the third or fourth consecutive sessions where we can see that the overall market is trading in green. So it is showing how strong the market is, and with the kind of quarterly results or the strong quarterly results of the financial institutions we have, it remains to do so going forward. So whether you are talking about Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, or Russell, so everything is trading. The futures, these are the future charts or future prices are trading in green, and the kind of strong data we have, it is very much possible that going forward we continue to have the same kind of trend. Now, there is one more strong reason for this kind of movement across the prices. So today, as you can see, this is today's news that world stock, sets a record high because of China data. Okay, so understand one thing, that China is not only a global giant in terms of producing things, but when you're talking about consumption, it plays a very big role. So if China is saying that we have a good data going forward, obviously it will have a very big impact on the overall indices, and you can see the same if you are talking about different indices, or if you are looking at different indices. So one more thing to look at. Uh, so here we have. Now I am continuously saying that the current price we are having at yield or VIX, or if you are talking about dollar index, these are supporting the overall market, and till the time these all things are on the downside, you will see that the market will slowly and steadily move on the upside. Now one more thing, or one more important thing about today's market, is about Morgan Stanley and the results we have from Morgan Stanley in this quarter. So, and you can see the news releases that it has earnings which is better than expected. Okay, and this will be the same. This will be the same for most of the financial company, because the kind of interest rate they have, and the borrowed rate, so they are lending somebody but they are also borrowing from someone, so they are borrowing at a rate which is very near to zero, and they are lending at a rate which is at least 1 or 2%. So there is a differential. Obviously the differential is very less into the uh, developed market, but there are other things. And as you can see, although as I told you, the differential is very less, but there are lots of other, so there are lots of other operations that banks are doing, and they are earning good amount of profit overall. Now talking about the charts. Okay, so this is the chart of US 10-year yield, and as I'm showing it to you, so this is the live chart, and you can see this is on a downslide. So be aware if you are shorting the market, right? So be aware if you are shorting the market, and the support level you need to look at will be 1.53, and if it falls below 1.53, the next support you will have here will be 1 point near to 1.48. Okay, and because we have talked about Morgan Stanley, so let's check out the chart. Now this is the chart of Morgan Stanley, and you can see the price is very near to the highs that it has made in the year 2000. So it is moving back to its price, or to the highs that it has made in the year 2000. So it will be a 2-decade reversal. Okay, and you can see this kind of pattern in overall banks, or across the banks. Okay, across the banks you will see that the stocks are moving at least towards the high that it has made in the year 2008 or 2000. So these are very bullish signals. So for the time being, for Morgan Stanley, you will have your resistance at $94.2, and once the stock moves beyond 94.2, you will have a fresh start or a start after 2 decades. So mark this thing and don't even try to short the market. So that's the thing. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.